Right now, I'm learning TensorFlow. So TensorFlow is like a library by Google for Python that makes it like easier to make AI algorithms. And I'm learning like what neural networks are and how they work and like the different types of neural networks. One project I did using Node.js is a online game. So it's like multiplayer, so you can visit a website and then someone else can visit a website and you can like see each other and move like on the same screen. And basically the game was capture the flag with like little platformers running around. And so I had to like figure out how to send the packets of information from like the client to the server and how to make it more efficient.